Welcome to Review Lab. The best tsunami pump is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious boater, offering unparalleled performance and reliability when you need it most, ensuring your vessel remains safe and operational even in the most challenging conditions, making it a critical investment for peace of mind on the water. Number 5. Attwood Tsunami Aerator Pump. Introducing the Attwood Tsunami Aerator Pump. Its innovative engineering and compact design deliver reliable aeration, perfect for contained spaces like your live well. This powerful pump is rated for an impressive 500 gallons per hour at 13.6 volts, ensuring strong performance when you need it most. It provides consistent aeration for your live fish. Constructed with the most advanced materials, including premium bearings and state-of-the-art components. This ensures durability and long-lasting operation. Featuring a patented shaft seal to prevent leaks and tinned wiring that resists corrosion and water damage. You can rely on its integrity. The motor cartridge locks securely for placement and easily unlocks for simple cleaning, maintenance, and replacement. Keeping it in top condition is effortless. With a compact 3/4-inch inlet and threaded outlet, this 12-volt pump is designed for easy integration. It comes with a 29-inch wire for convenient connection. What we like. This pump offers innovative engineering for reliable aeration in tight spaces. Its motor cartridge locks for secure placement and unlocks for easy cleaning. If you have a live well or need compact, dependable aeration, this is your go-to choice. What people say. The Tsunami pump is a powerful tool for moving water quickly and efficiently. Its durable construction ensures longevity, even with heavy use. The pump's design allows for easy maintenance and operation. Number 4. Attwood Tsunami Bilge Pump Replacement Motor Cartridge. This is a direct replacement for your existing motor cartridge. It's designed for a simple, hassle-free installation process. The unit locks securely into place, ensuring a reliable and stable connection. You can trust it to stay put. Experience outstanding performance with this replacement. It's engineered to deliver the power you need. This is specifically intended for use with the T500 models of the Tsunami Aerator Pump, Dual Outlet Aerator Pump, and Bilge Pump. Servicing is made simple and quick thanks to its replaceable and interchangeable motor core design. Boaters demand more power, and this delivers exactly that. Enjoy high-capacity, high-efficiency output for your bilge pump. What we like. This is a direct replacement motor cartridge for specific Tsunami Aerator and Bilge pumps. It's a reliable, self-contained unit that locks securely and installs easily. If you need to quickly service or replace the motor in your compatible Tsunami pump, this cartridge makes it simple and fast. What people say. The Tsunami pump is a powerful and efficient tool for various pumping needs. Its durable construction ensures longevity and reliability in demanding environments. The pump features a user-friendly interface, making operation straightforward even for beginners. Number 3. Tsurumi HS 2.4S Submersible Trash Pump. Introducing the Tsurumi HS 2.4S, a submersible trash pump designed to handle water with sand, solids, and debris. Its semi-vortex impeller and integrated agitator make light work of even tough conditions. Powered by a 1.2 horsepower motor, this pump delivers robust performance on a standard 115V supply. It's ideal for construction sites, disaster remediation, and more, featuring a convenient 20-foot cord. The angled 2-inch discharge port offers flexibility in hose and fitting selection, simplifying your setup. This design enhances productivity across various applications. Tsurumi is a global leader in submersible pumps, known for engineering products that outlast the competition. Experience superior pump life and cost savings with this durable solution. This pump comes with a 2-year warranty and is UL and CSA certified, ensuring trusted quality and peace of mind. Contact Tsurumi for any questions or concerns. What we like. This submersible trash pump is built to handle water with sand, solids, and debris thanks to its semi-vortex impeller and agitator. It features a powerful motor and is engineered for durability, outlasting the competition. If you're dealing with dewatering applications that involve significant debris, this pump offers robust performance and longevity. What people say. The Tsunami pump is a powerful and efficient tool for various pumping needs. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in demanding conditions. The pump features a user-friendly design, making it easy to operate and maintain. Number 2. Attwood Tsunami T800 Bilge Pump. Introducing the Attwood Tsunami T800. Engineered for reliability, its compact design delivers exceptional bilge pumping performance. Experience impressive power with this pump. It's rated for up to 800 gallons per hour at 13.6 volts DC, ensuring efficient operation. Crafted with premium quality bearings and state-of-the-art materials, this pump is built to last. It features advanced brushes, alloys, and magnets for superior durability. Worry less about leaks and water damage. Its patented shaft seal prevents issues from misalignment, while tinned wiring resists corrosion and wicking. Boaters demand power, and this pump delivers. It offers high capacity, high efficiency output to meet your needs on the water. Maintenance is simple with its interchangeable motor cores. This design ensures your pump stays operational with ease. What we like. This bilge pump delivers high capacity, high efficiency output for reliable bilge pumping performance. Its innovative design and compact size make it a top choice for boaters seeking more power. If you are looking for a powerful and dependable bilge pump with the added benefit of easily replaceable motor cores, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Tsunami pump is incredibly powerful, easily clearing out my flooded basement in under an hour. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, and the automatic shut-off feature provides great peace of mind. Number 1. Tsurumi 4PN1 2 horsepower pond and waterfall pump. Experience exceptional durability with its stainless steel housing and reinforced plastic components. This design ensures maximum corrosion resistance for long-lasting performance. This pump is engineered to handle solids up to 0.4 inches and deliver an impressive 4,740 GPH. Its robust build ensures it can manage various water garden applications with a maximum head of 44 feet. The internal oil chamber uses white mineral oil to create a safe environment. This promotes a thriving and healthy ecosystem for your garden pond. Featuring a dual inside mechanical seal with silicon carbide faces, it effectively prevents leakage. This advanced sealing technology extends the life of the pump significantly. Tsurumi is a global leader in submersible pumps, known for engineering products that outlast the competition. Benefit from superior pump life and cost savings. Rest assured with a 2-year warranty and UL and CSA certification. Your investment is protected, and support is available for any questions. What we like. This pond and waterfall pump boasts a stainless steel housing and durable construction for maximum corrosion resistance. It offers a high flow rate and can handle solids up to 0.4 inches. If you're setting up or maintaining a water garden and need a reliable, long-lasting pump that can handle moderate debris, this is the perfect fit for your needs. What people say. The Tsunami pump is a powerful and efficient tool for moving water. Its durable construction ensures longevity, even with heavy use. The pump features a user-friendly design, making it easy to operate and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.